The Japanese weasel is a fascinating creature, often found peering out from beneath fallen logs in sun-dappled forests. It lives in a variety of habitats across the Japanese archipelago, from dense forests to open grasslands, and even near human settlements. This adaptability allows it to thrive in diverse environments. This small mammal, also known as the Nihon Itachi, is a sight to behold. Its name, Nihon Itachi, translates to Japanese weasel, highlighting its significance in the region. With its sleek, reddish-brown fur and long, slender body, it is perfectly adapted to its environment. The fur not only provides camouflage, but also keeps it warm during the colder months. The Japanese weasel is a solitary creature, preferring to live and hunt alone. This solitary nature helps it avoid competition for food and territory. They are most active at dawn and dusk, using their keen senses to locate prey. Their sharp eyesight and acute hearing make them formidable hunters. Their diet consists mainly of rodents, which they hunt with precision and agility, but they are also known to eat birds, showcasing their versatility as predators, insects and reptiles. This varied diet ensures they get all the nutrients they need to survive. The Japanese weasel is also an excellent climber and swimmer, often seen scaling trees or swimming in streams in search of food. These skills make it a versatile and adaptable predator. In quieter moments, you might catch a glimpse of the Japanese weasel grooming itself, maintaining its sleek fur and overall health. Grooming is an essential part of their daily routine. During the breeding season, female weasels give birth to litters of up to 6 kits. The mother is fiercely protective, nurturing her young until they are ready to venture out on their own. The young kits learn essential survival skills through play and observation, gradually becoming proficient hunters themselves. The Japanese weasel has also found its way into local folklore and traditional art, often depicted as a symbol of agility and cunning. Despite the encroachment of urbanization, the Japanese weasel continues to adapt, sometimes even venturing into urban areas in search of food. As the sun sets, the Japanese weasel blends seamlessly into its surroundings, a true testament to its adaptability and survival skills. This remarkable creature continues to captivate and inspire those who are fortunate enough to encounter it in the wild. The Japanese weasel is a carnivore. This means that it eats meat. Unlike herbivores that rely on plants, the Japanese weasel thrives on a diet rich in protein. Its diet consists mainly of small mammals like voles and mice. These small creatures provide the essential nutrients the weasel needs to survive and stay active. However, it is an opportunistic feeder and will also eat birds, reptiles, amphibians, insects, and even fruit. This adaptability in its diet allows the weasel to thrive in various environments and seasons. The weasel is a skilled hunter. Its hunting techniques are refined and efficient, making it a formidable predator in its habitat. It uses its speed and agility to chase down its prey. The weasel's slender body and quick reflexes give it an edge when pursuing fast-moving targets. It has sharp claws and teeth that it uses to kill its prey. These physical adaptations are crucial for capturing and consuming its food. The Japanese weasel plays an important role in keeping rodent populations in check. By preying on these small mammals, it helps maintain a balanced ecosystem. The Japanese weasel can be found in a variety of habitats, from forests to grasslands. Its ability to adapt to different environments is a testament to its survival skills. In addition to hunting, the weasel interacts with other wildlife, sometimes competing for food or territory. These interactions are part of the complex web of life in its ecosystem. Grooming is also an important part of the weasel's daily routine. Keeping its fur clean helps it stay healthy and free from parasites. The Japanese weasel is also a dedicated parent. It raises its young with care, teaching them the skills they need to become successful hunters. Observing the Japanese weasel in the wild offers a glimpse into the life of a skilled and adaptable predator. Its role in the ecosystem is vital, showcasing the intricate balance of nature. The Japanese weasel makes its home in a variety of habitats. These include forests, grasslands, and even urban areas. It prefers areas with dense vegetation, which provides cover from predators and plenty of hunting grounds. The weasel is a solitary creature, only coming together to mate. Females give birth to a litter of 2 to 6 kits in the spring. The mother will raise her kits until they are old enough to fend for themselves. The Japanese weasel is an important part of the ecosystem. As a predator, it helps to control populations of rodents and other small animals. This helps to keep the ecosystem in balance. The weasel also plays a role in seed dispersal. It eats fruit and then spreads the seeds in its droppings. This helps to ensure that new plants can grow. Section 5. Weasels in folklore. The Japanese weasel features prominently in Japanese folklore. In some tales, it is seen as a mischievous trickster. In others, it is a symbol of good luck or fortune. One famous legend tells of the kamitachi, a weasel-like yokai, or spirit, that rides on whirlwinds and cuts people with its sharp claws. This creature is often blamed for unexplained cuts and bruises. Section 6. Living with legends. The Japanese weasel, despite its presence in folklore, is a shy and elusive creature. It is rarely seen by humans. However, it is an important part of the Japanese ecosystem. The Japanese weasel is not considered to be endangered. However, its habitat is threatened by deforestation and urbanization. It is important to protect the weasel's habitat so that it can continue to thrive. Section 7. Conservation challenges. The Japanese weasel, like many other animals, faces challenges. Loss of habitat is a major threat. As humans continue to develop land, the weasel's natural home shrinks. Another challenge is the introduction of non-native species. These species can compete with the Japanese weasel for food and resources. It is important to monitor and manage these invasive species. Section 8. Protecting the weasel. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the Japanese weasel, a species that holds a special place in Japan's natural heritage. These small, elusive creatures are facing numerous threats, including habitat loss and environmental changes. These efforts include habitat restoration and public education. By restoring their natural habitats, we can provide the Japanese weasel with the environment it needs to thrive. Public education is equally important as it helps people understand the significance of this species and the role it plays in the ecosystem. By raising awareness about this fascinating creature, we can foster a sense of responsibility and stewardship among local communities. Awareness campaigns are designed to inform and engage the public, encouraging them to participate in conservation activities. We can help to ensure its survival by supporting these initiatives. Community involvement is crucial, as local residents are often the first to notice changes in the weasel's population and habitat. Protecting the Japanese weasel is not just about preserving a single species, it is about maintaining the health and stability of the entire ecosystem. The Japanese weasel is an integral part of its environment, and its presence indicates a balanced and thriving ecosystem. It is about protecting the delicate balance of the entire ecosystem. When we protect the Japanese weasel, we are also safeguarding other species that share its habitat, ensuring biodiversity and ecological health. Every creature plays a role, and the Japanese weasel is no exception. Its activities, such as hunting and foraging, contribute to the ecological balance. The loss of one species can have ripple effects throughout the environment. The disappearance of the Japanese weasel could lead to unforeseen consequences, affecting other species and the overall health of the ecosystem. Therefore, it is imperative that we take action now to protect this vital species and ensure the continued harmony of our natural world. Section 9. A future for the Japanese weasel. The future of the Japanese weasel depends on our actions. By making informed choices and supporting conservation efforts, we can help to ensure that this unique and fascinating creature continues to thrive in the wilds of Japan. Let us work together to protect the Japanese weasel and the rich biodiversity of our planet. The future of these creatures, and indeed our own, depends on it.